Welcome to Tampa, Florida, ICMA, the home of the 111th Annual Conference for City and County Managers. We welcome our national and our international members here for a fun-filled week of learning, innovation, and networking. Delegates, we're very excited to have you here. This has been something we've been anticipating for 10 years, and now the day is here. This is a true regional effort. There's plenty of things for you and your family to enjoy while you're here. You can go across the bay to Clearwater Beach. We have some of the best ranked beaches in the world, 35 miles of pristine beaches. St. Pete, you have the Dolly Museum. Downtown St. Pete is very vibrant with restaurants and places to visit. You come back over to the bay, you have historic Ybor City, experience cigar rolling. We have the Water Street District. We have the downtown Riverwalk. We have the Lightning that's in town playing hockey this year. And we have our historic streetcar that you can ride from downtown to Ybor City. So there's plenty to do. We hope you enjoy your time here in Tampa. And again, we're thrilled to have you here. Take it all in, absorb as much as you can here, and I guarantee you, you will want to come back and spend more time here in the Tampa Bay area in Hillsborough County.